What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now, I'm at a single-family residence and ranch on Hyde Park Avenue on the north side of Akron by Chapel Hill Mall. This is actually the second property that we are closing on in the past 3 weeks in the subdivision. We closed on Grand Park Avenue just a few weeks ago. So just a quick little walkthrough. Pretty clean in here. So I really just wanted to stop in with you guys and let you know that me and my partners, we're definitely looking to buy a number of properties. We like the Chapel Hill area. We'll consider any area in Akron, but we definitely do like the north side. Of course, we'd definitely consider Cuyahoga Falls, Talmadge, Stowe, any of the surrounding suburbs. So if you or anybody you know is looking to sell a home in the area, definitely give us a call for a free consultation. There's no pressure. All your information will be kept confidential. We'll make you an offer in 24 hours or less. We can close in less than 30 days, and most of the time we pay in cash, okay? We don't charge any real estate commissions. So if you or somebody you know has a house they want to sell, and we close on it, and you refer us to a deal, we'll pay you a referral fee up to $1,000, okay? So if you want to reach me, you can contact me directly at 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.